Start with Kritika. Okay, please start.
Jai Hind everyone. From the given picture, I have perceived 7 characters, age between 7 to 54, and the overall mood of the picture is positive, and the action of my story is enjoying the holidays with family. Raju, a 29-year-old man, came back from army to enjoy some days with his family. One day he decided to go on a picnic with his family at a natural spot where the kids were playing and his family members are having general talks with everybody, and he decided to cook food along with his wife for the family. He decided to cook food by himself, and then he wanted to taste the food by everybody and want to know how his cooking skills is now. He served the food, he called everybody and wanted everybody to taste the food. Then everybody loved the food and gave the feedback about his food. He enjoyed the day with his family and went back with his family to home and had a wonderful day. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the given picture, I have perceived 7 characters, age ranging between 7 to 45. 3 males and 4 females. All are in positive mood. Abhinav, a 23-year-old city boy, a newly appointed as a sachiv in a village. He wanted to know the village people, so he decided to distribute langar. He invited them, distributed langar by himself, talked with them, asked the problems they are facing, and tell them that he is the new sachiv of the village. He tell them if they are facing any problem related their work and they are not doing the authorities are doing that, then they can contact with him. At the last of langar, all villagers went to their home back and Abhinav rest his name happily.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture shown to us, I perceived 7 characters, 3 males and 4 females, age ranging between 7 to 52 years. Overall mood of the picture is positive. Action of my story is celebrating daughter selection in NEET exam. Ramesh, a 35-year-old man who is a government teacher, he has 2 daughters and a son. His daughter recently cleared the NEET exam. He was very happy. He, along with his family, decided to celebrate it with the neighbors and family members. He threw a party. He himself and his wife prepared the food, hired a cook for the help also, and distributed the food, had a great evening. The family and the neighbors were very happy with the news, as she became the first doctor in the village. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. I perceived 5 characters from the picture. Mood is positive. Age range between 10 to 30. Rahul, a 27-year-old from Kolkata, is a festival organizer organizing a Durga Puja festival. He arranged a food distribution for all the devotees who are coming for the worship and for visiting the mandaps. He also for the helpers who are maintaining the mandaps and the organizing the festival. He interacted with all of them, knowing them more. Also requested all the devotees to interact with each other, know them more, and also he requested not to waste the food and continue the food distribution till the puja gets over. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the given picture, I have perceived 7 characters, 4 male, 3 female, age ranging between 9 to 35 years old, and my action of the story is feast. From Ramesh, a 35-year-old man working as a labor in a farm, got selected in the armed forces. Because of that, he organized a feast in his home. He invited neighbors and a Brahmin. He served the food to Brahmin first, and then everyone parts in the food. They enjoy the food, and at the end, he gives the remaining food to the pets. Thank you.
Rajesh, 30, a government employee who is in leave, go with a picnic with his family member nearby Chilka forest. Upon reaching there, first of all, he collected all items like utensils, dry rations, and vegetables, and put it in a vacant place. And simultaneously, he also helped his uncle in the terms of cooking, like washing vegetables and cutting vegetables. After preparing food, he personally went there and distribute the food one by one and ensure all items to be catered to everyone. After all, they closing all items and went to home with happiness.
Join everyone. From the given picture, I pursued 7 characters, 4 males, 3 females, age ranging from 5 to 55, and the mood is positive. Action: organizing a bhandara to celebrate the success. Ram, a 28-year-old man, lives in a small village in Madhya Pradesh, and upon seeing the good cultivation of his crop and seeing the progress in the agriculture, he decided to organize a bhandara to celebrate his happiness with all the villagers. He then make a list of all the people, calls a local halwai, and make a list of all the food items to be made in the bhandara. He make the villagers to sit. He make the villagers, and he make all the villagers to sit in the proper row. Distributed puri, aloo ki sabji, papad, salad and achar. And later on, after the main course, he also distributed gulab jamun and ice cream in sweets. Later, at the end of the bhandara, he himself cleansed the environment and also took their valuable feedback, and at the last dispersed everyone with a great respect.
Jai Hind everyone. From the given picture, I have identified 7 characters, 4 males, 3 females, age ranging from 9 to 55 years old, and the overall mood being positive. The action of my story is organizing bhandara after puja. So Ramesh, a 27-year-old working in MNC, has recently promoted from sales manager to manager. To celebrate this success, he organized the puja, and after that he organized the bhandara. In the bhandara, he managed all the things himself only, like he prepared the sabzi and chapati, and also the papad, salad, etc. And he managed the sitting arrangement nearby his house only, and there many people came to take the bhandara. Further, he was also praised for this work of himself, and he felt very happy and rejoined his work and do it with more hard work to achieve laurels for his company. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. All I proceed from the story. There were 7 characters, 4 females, 3 males, age ranging between 20 to 40 years. Overall mood being positive. Action of my story is organizing a puja and distributing the food for his achievement. Rahul, a 24-year-old engineering graduate, recently graduated and cracked his highest package from his college. As a software engineer in the US company, he and his parents decided to organize a small puja in their home. They invited their relatives and neighbors to the puja. After attending the puja, he packed the food from their home, his home, and go to the nearby temple, take the blessing from the god, and also serve the food to the people around the temple. After that, he returned to his home, take the blessings from his parents, and ready for his upcoming journey.
Then everyone, from the picture shown to us, I perceive there are 7 characters, 3 male, 4 female. The age is around 5 to 45 year old. The overall mood is positive. The action of my story is distributing food on the death anniversary of his grandparents. Abhinav, 25-year-old, working profession in Wipro. He took a leave from the company, reached to his home, prepare the food with his parents and pack the food, reach to the Narmada Ghat, clean the area, perform all the rituals and distribute food with amongst the people are there. After that he took blessing from them and share the happy moments and remembering the grandparents time with his parents. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. Gentlemen, from this picture, I pursue a group of the people and a male whose age is 26 around. Ram whose age is 26 and he is an army officer. On the festival of Diwali, he is on home, and one day he decided to celebrate the festival Diwali with the homeless and the needy people. For that, he distribute food, distribute clothes, and distribute sweets among them. For this, he buy the grocery and he buy the vegetable. With the help of his family and his friends, he cook food and distribute among them, or he also serve them and eat food them also. And at the last, he distribute food among them and distribute the sweet, a pack of sweet, and at the last he wish happy Diwali to everyone and take blessings from them. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the given picture, I have perceived 7 characters, 4 male, 3 female, and the age bracket is between 10 to 40 years, and the overall mood of the story is positive. The action of my story is arranging food drive in a nearby village. Raman, a 24-year-old runs an NGO called Food for the Planet. He, along with his team, works for the betterment of the society. One day, he decided to conduct a food drive in a nearby village. So he gathered the volunteers, made groups, distributed the responsibilities, and made posters, circulated them on online platforms, urging people to donate food grains for the food drive. He then rented utensils required for the preparation of the food and went to the nearby village. He then set up the camp nearby a school and prepared the food along with his team. He then called the people, made them sit in rows, served them, and distributed the food. He then got blessings from everyone and decided to conduct the food drive more often. Thank you.
Jane everyone, from the given picture are perceived 7 characters, 4 male, 3 female, age ranging is 10 to 55 and more be positive. And actually the story is distributing the food to the needy people. Ankit was a worker of the PCS and also do social work and work for the people. And he decided to celebrate his birthday with the needy people. Then he organized the Bhandara and first he cooked food and then served food to the people and decided to motivate the people to celebrate their birthday and anniversary with the needy people. And after the distributed food, he felt happy and all the people said thank you to Ankit for his Bhandara.
Jain Devgan, from the picture I have perceived 7 characters, 4 male, 3 female, age range between 10 to 40, and the mood of all the characters are positive. And the action of my story is serving prasad to the attendants after puja. Ram, a 17-year-old school boy studying in class 12, and on the occasion of Saraswati Puja, his family organizes a big puja in the village. He invites the attendants who has been came to puja. After the puja, he serves the food and prasad to them. He serves pulao and also different mithais who has been given in the puja, and also kheer. And also he has been tagged for the person who is not able to attend the puja to be given to the persons, and by this the puja has been successfully conducted. Thank you.
And everyone, on the given picture I can see 7 characters, 4 male, 3 female, age between 10 to 30 years old. All of the